Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial you will learn how to make a halftone effect in Photoshop. Halftone is originally a printing technique that uses tiny dots of colored ink to simulate solid ink coverage. When varied in size and spacing, the dots generate a smooth color and gradient effect. To get started, open an image in Photoshop. Create the new black and white adjustment layer to make it black and white. Now, create the new layer and go to Edit, Fill, and choose 50% gray. Right-click on the layer and convert it to a smart object. Go to Filters, Filter Gallery, Sketch, Halftone. Choose the size as you desire. Keep the contrast at 0 and choose Dots. Click the new layer icon and add torn edges. Set the smoothness to 13 and contrast close to 0. Now, to have it interact with the image, change the blending mode to hard mix and change the fill amount to taste. You can customize the effect further by adding a twirl effect under Filter, Distort. This is the best method for accurate and predictable halftone images. Best of all is that it uses smart objects so you can easily replace the main image.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.